Well guys, here's the current situation here. We got a little bit of snow last night. Today I'm gonna go do a couple things. I'm gonna go pick up a new torque converter. It's not a new one, but it's kind of it's an old one. It's a used one, but it's new to me. So I'm gonna go pick that thing up. I'm kind of sketched out about the torque converter that I have because there's like a metal ring that was kind of wore off. I think it's actually the weld that's holding the snout on, but it's wore off on mine, so I'm gonna go pick up a different one from a friend. Also gotta go to the hardware store. I'm gonna go pick up a bolt for the valve body bolt that I snapped off. It's gonna be a busy day, but I'd like to actually, if I have enough time tonight, try to get that thing back together and actually get the transmission in the truck and possibly drive it. Look at all the beautiful snow. The snow is from one day. We had grass yesterday. This is from one night. So I'm kind of almost like in a hurry now with the truck to get this thing going because we sold my wife's car a couple days ago. We actually sold her car, so we only have one vehicle right now that we drive. Got a pretty decent price on it. I kind of raised the price on the car and put it on Craigslist, and someone actually bought it for the price that I listed it. Didn't even try to talk me down, which I was expecting. So jumped on that, sold it. Now we have one vehicle, so that doesn't really work for us. So I'm probably gonna turn the Ranger into like my daily car because I'm working on something else. So we're trying to get a different car. Hopefully I'll have one tomorrow and it'll be good. Something you guys will probably like. It's not a huge deal because my wife doesn't work. She's just a stay-at-home mom, so she can like give me a ride and stuff. But that means we got to wake up 3 kids and bring me to work at 3 o'clock in the morning. So that doesn't really work. It's 4:24 right now. And this thing has been going for about 2.5 hours. 11 gigabytes. Wife's making some stuff here.
Fail, number 1.
Where are you going? So that was actually the edit. That was actually the edit of the full transmission build video. Basically all of the clips put together into one. It's taking an incredibly long time to finish that thing. So we got this thing ready to go. We got the new torque converter on. This thing is actually from a dump truck, so you know it's good. I got this thing filled with 6 quarts right now. Pre-filled it before I put it under. It's pretty much full in up to the tube where I can see it. Let's get this thing under there. So it's only like 13 bolts and then it's in, right? So we got 6 torque converter bolts and then however many there. Let's get this thing in there. Hey bro, why not put a good torque converter on there? I got other plans and I'm in a hurry. Alright, I got some good news and I got some bad news. Good news is the transmission is in and it's hanging all by itself. The bad news is dinner's been on the table for a half hour and I'm in trouble. So gotta go. Have a good night.